In in this video, I will show you how to follow people on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. But before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To follow people on Roblox, what you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com, log into your account, and then if you come up to the search box at the top, and in here you want to type the name of the person that you want to follow. So let's go ahead and try and find one of my accounts. So we're going to type the username in, select in people to bring up people. And what you want to then do is click onto the person from your search results that you want to follow. So this should take you across to their profile page. Now on their profile page, if you come up to where it says add connection or add friend, come to the right of this and click onto the three dots. You're going to see an option in this menu to follow. So simply click on to follow. And just like so, you're going to start following this person. So that is how to follow people on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.